Okay, this is the classy part of our travels.
We're here at Tomb of the Kings in Paphos, Cyprus. We both learned it was a country about 2 weeks ago when we found a cheap Ryanair flight here. We recognize now that Cyprus is basically the Cancun for British tourists. So if you are from England and watching this, you'll probably be laughing at the fact that us Americans didn't know about Cyprus. But I bet if you're American and watching this, you might have thought that maybe Cyprus was one of the Greek islands. Or have never heard of it. We are in Paphos at the Tomb of the Kings. We're not really sure which kings.
We're tomb raiders right now.
Wow, this got real big real quick. This is sweet. Oh gosh. The craziest part is that we're underground, which is really cool.
Get in that tomb.
No, you go. Dude, it's so dark I can't even see on the camera. Oh my god, you just disappeared. You're just down there to scare me, I know it. Wait, what?
Had to do a lot of running to do that. Welcome to Party Boat, where all your dreams come true.
Check out where we get to hang out for the day. There's a deck below us that everyone is at, and we're up here in this awesome spot, and no one's here, so there's something we don't know. So this is the funniest thing. We have the entire top deck to ourselves on this yacht, which is ridiculous. Let's go get drinks.
Safety brief.
Alright, so here's the deal. We're on this excursion, right? It's all inclusive, which is great. And we've got all these places to see. This is my new buddy Shannon. London, hiya. 80% of the people on this boat are trying not to vomit. Again, because I say 60% of the people on this ship have vomited. We're in quite rough seas, which Shannon and I have decided is better just to keep drinking
alcohol.